I would like to, there was one more thing that PPS have been scrapped. I would like to make it very clear on the floor of the House, no PPS was scrapped, only PPS, only some PPS, like 41 PPS, which the former Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu concluded agreements just before the elections at 4 rupee 83 paise. 41 PPS were done, ma'am. When the same time, the same corresponding time in the neighboring states, the unit for power was only 3 rupees, and it was below 3 rupees also. So where is 4 rupee 83 paise and where is 3 rupees and below 3 rupees, madam? This we have questioned, and now it is in the purview of judiciary. Whatever decision comes, we are going to respect that. And even now, all the PPS, we are taking power from them, but we are awaiting the decision of the court, and we will adhere to that. No PPS have been scrapped. And to add to this, in renewable energy, madam, I would like to bring it to the notice of the House. I am proud to say that under our new Chief Minister, Government of Singapore and Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, they have come forward to put the world's biggest integrated renewable energy project in Andhra Pradesh. It is worth 25,000 crores, and the Government of Singapore is happy to invest in that, and very soon our Chief Minister is going to inaugurate that project. Such is the development and such is the thing our PM is focusing at. So basically, I know, madam, this is a state subject, but since there were allegations made in the all-party meet, we have to make things clear here. And talking about our capital, madam, I would like to bring it to notice that Amaravati was declared a capital. But before that, as a Chief Minister, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu said that close to Vijayawada there is a place called Tiruvuru. He said the capital is going to come up at Tiruvuru officially as a Chief Minister. And then in 3 months' time, he made his people buy in a place called Amaravati between Guntur and Vijayawada. They bought so much land, and now a preliminary investigation is showing that 4,000 acres plus has been bought by Telugu Desam leaders in that area, madam. Madam, as a CM, if he is fooling the people saying that capital is coming at Tiruvuru, and then after buying land and making a big scam, it's a breach of oath, and then he says, no, the Tiruvuru is not the capital is going to come up in Amaravati. This is a big scam, and now a preliminary investigation shows that 4,000 plus acres have been identified with Telugu Desam people, and very important fact, the whole House should take cognizance, 780 people below poverty line have spent crores of rupees buying land. How can a person below poverty line put crores of rupees? They don't have even income tax assessment. Now, today I read in the news, madam, it's a welcome move that ED has come into place. CID has reported to ED. 780 people have been identified where there is false certificate and money swindled from the people. They have bought lands there. Madam, we also demand a CBI inquiry from the government so that these scams be bought out. And one thing I would like to come out, ma'am. Earlier, before the elections, our former Chief Minister went throughout the country saying that we will finish off Modi ji, we will finish off BJP. But today, madam, earlier he said that we don't mind which party he supports. Earlier he said we will make Rahul Gandhi ji as the Prime Minister. But today, there was a request earlier in the Speaker's office that they don't even want to sit with the Congress, madam. They are sitting behind us. This is the thing. Please, I request the House to take note of. Telugu Desam Party. They have been. I don't mind Telugu Desam people shouting behind me, because I'll tell you one thing, madam. They have been assigned with a task to save Chandrababu, save from his camps. This is the reason they'll be shouting. They'll be propagating all lies. We are ready. Whatever facts are there, we are ready to bring it out, madam. We request the blessings from the House for a young Chief Minister who is performing so well, who is weeding out corruption, and I wish everybody's blessings is there for our CM, madam. Thank you very much.